next operation is I've got the spring pad cutter in here, and I'm going to clean up. There's a spring locator basically under the seal. You can see over here. So I've got my seal. My guide boss is cut for a seal, 530 seal. And if you can see how it's not concentric, it's fat on one side and skinny on the other. I just don't like the way it is, so the way it locates the spring, it's a little bit crooked. So I'm going to actually knock that, I'm going to clean it up with this spring seat cutter right now. Ready? I've already got the pilot lined up. Here we go. I'm going to go down just till it touches the spring pad. It's a 5/8 cutter, so it's leaving 5/8 of material to locate the spring, which is fine.